I'm Tom, and this is a look at making tea in my Nespresso maker using these uMatcha Nespresso pods. These are from Republic of Tea. So normally you would be making espresso in your Nespresso machine, but these are really awesome because they are Nespresso compatible pods that allow you to make matcha, which is a really intense Japanese green tea. And you can actually combine these if you have an espresso maker with a milk frother, as I have here. You can actually make a matcha latte, which is one of the nicest ways to have matcha, in my opinion. So let's open these up. So here's our pod. You can see it's your Nespresso style pod there. And then let's go ahead and load this into the machine. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put a glass in here. You can see I've got my milk frother loaded up with some milk. And I'm going to go ahead and press my button to start here, brewing my uMatcha capsule. So first we're going to get this nice steamed milk. Again, you don't have to do this. You can just make the pure matcha without the milk. But I think having this as a latte is one of the nicest ways to do it again. So let's go ahead and let this brew. And then it's going to go ahead and brew that capsule. And you can see what we get is this beautiful, bright green color, green tea matcha that's going in there. And this is going to make just a really delicious matcha latte. And I think I'm going to run it one more time in the small setting here, get all of the tea out of that capsule. And this looks beautiful. We've got this little mark of the tea on the top there. You can see it blending with the milk. We've got that, again, lovely green color you expect with matcha. And let's go ahead and try it. Yeah, delicious traditional matcha flavor there, and you can sweeten it a little bit if you like. Really creamy, really delicious, strong kind of bold tea flavor like you'd expect with matcha. These are really great. You've got the quality with Republic of Tea making these capsules, convenience of just brewing it straight in your Nespresso machine, and I think this is a really great addition to what I'll be having for caffeine in the late afternoon.